Hello, hi everyone. How you all doing? Good, I hope. Why do I keep? That sounds like a pickup line, right? I know. I guess I just have to do something else. No, do something else. More like say something else. I guess I just have to change my pattern of greeting, like like saying hello, how are you? Good, I hope. I'm not going to say that anymore. So I'm going to say, hi everyone, how you doing? Oh, that's good to know. What do you think about it? I'm Jennifer, and this is Prep Class. If you're just joining us for the first time, it's awesome having you. We are glad that you dropped by for some reason, even though you didn't want to. But really, we appreciate it. We appreciate you trying to check out what Prep Class is all about. And I'm hoping we aren't disappointing you. I'm hoping we're what you expect us to be. Or at least we will be what you expect us to be. We're getting there. So we're still in our Ugo English language past questions, paper A, test 5. But before we go on, of course, you know the tradition, right? You subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and comment. Download the Prep Class app, available now on the Google Play Store and the App Store. And join us on WhatsApp at bit.ly/PrepClassWhatsApp. And yeah, I can't remember. I can't remember what else. I can't remember the things. I can't remember what the things that you have to do, but okay. I think these are the major ones. So let's just stick with you liking the channel and subscribing to the channel, and dropping your comments. Let's know what you think about Prep Class, and please, we are really hoping to not disappoint you. I don't know. Are we disappointing you? Are you disappointed? Oh, please don't be. Don't be. Okay, I'm not going to bring that. So subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to like and comment, like I said earlier. Please do, so that we can grow, so that we can know that you are watching, and that we are making some sort of impact on you guys. So thank you as you do that. We appreciate it. Alright, so we get into our 6th question. What happens to the grumbling servant at the end of the story? Okay, so this question is straight up from the last learning session, the comprehension passage on the last learning session. We're still learning on the questions. So yes, what was the question again? Yeah, what happened to the grumbling servant at the end of the story? A, he stopped grumbling. B, we're not told. C, the king just warned him. D, the king dismissed him. And E, he was given part of the money. So from the passage, we are not told what happened to the grumbling servant at the end of the story. But of course, if you're actually to imagine it, try to draw up some sort of conclusion in your own head, I would say that I think he, of course, regretted his action, seeing that he was actually supposed to be the finder of the money, and losing such money as a result of his laziness and grumbling attitude. I think he, of course, regretted it, and yeah, he regretted it. He probably regretted it, and maybe begged the second servant for some money. What do you think? Yeah, right. He probably asked the second servant for some of the money. Okay, so that is it. But truth is, we were not told. we're not told what happened to the grumbling servant at the end of the story. So that's it. Option B, we're not told. A seventh question. Which of the following is true about the passage? Okay, is true according to the passage. A, the king often sat in the shade to watch his servant at work. B, the grumbling servant is not healthy. C, the king had only one servant. D, the king was not liked by his people. And E, the king knew that his servant was lazy. It is true from the passage that the king knew that his servant was lazy. Yes, he did know, although he didn't dismiss him for it, but he didn't know that his servant was lazy. So you can find this answer on the lines 4, 5, and 6 of the passage. We have an option E, our answer. The king knew that his servant was lazy. Okay, so here we have a passage B, the armadillo. Is it armadillo or armadillo? I think it's armadillo. Yeah. So most animals have some means of self-defense, such as fangs, claws, and venom. There are some which have a natural safety outfit, like an armor worn at war. One such creature is the armadillo, which looks like a living tank. The armadillo is covered with hard shell, divided into belts or separate plates, which are joined by tough skin. The forehead and shoulders are protected by one piece of plate. The central part of the body is able to move freely owing to the separate belts. The teeth interlock when the mouth is closed, and the animal has a sticking tongue like that of the chameleon, with which it catches ants, termites, and other insects. The armadillo also eats worms, fruits, birds, eggs, snakes, and dead animals. The armadillos do not come out during the daytime, but sleep in their burrows until evening. These burrows are built against dangerous intruders by means of the round plates, which covers the low part of the body. Okay, so that's the end of it. Well, yeah, that's the end of the passage. So our eighth question, we answer the questions following suit. Our eighth question. The armadillo's safety outfits. A is the hard shell which covers and protects its body. B, the beautiful color of its body. C is the hole in which it lives. D consists of its fangs, claws, claws, and venom. E is its interlocking teeth. So the armadillo's safety outfit is the hard shell which covers and protects its body. And we can find this answer on lines 4, 5, and 6 of the passage. Option A is the hard shell which covers and protects its body. Our ninth question, what is the advantage? What is the advantage to the animal of the fact that the central body is protected by separate plates? A, it is able to eat comfortably. B, it can easily catch insects. C, it is able to find its way at night. D, it can move its body easily. And E, it uses the plates for digging holes. So the advantage of the fact that its central body is protected by separate plates is that it can move its body easily. So you can imagine an animal looking like a pile of plates, round and round and round and round like a pile of plates. So that's what the armadillo looks like. So we can find this answer on the lines 7 and 8 of the passage. It has that the separate plates as its central body because it can move easily. So that's the advantage of it having the separate plates in its central body. That's because it can move its body easily. That's the advantage. Okay, that's option D. Our 10th question. The armadillo is able to capture insects because A, it is very fast. It is a very fast animal. B, it has a sticky tongue. C, its body moves freely. D, it digs holes which insects fall into. And E, it has a hard shell. The armadillo is able to capture insects because it has sticky tongue. It has a sticky tongue. And we can find this on the lines 9, 10, and 11 of the passage. So our answer is an option B. It has a sticky tongue. And yes, you are right. We've come to the end of the passage. No, what? Did I just say passage? Don't mind me. We've come to the end of this learning session, and we hope you're able, or we're able to understand how to answer questions that follow a comprehension passage. Don't forget to reach out to Prep Class via our website at www.prepclass.com.ng, and of course reach out to us via telephone 09035321117. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like, and definitely you mustn't forget to comment. Let's know what you think about Prep Class. I told you, I keep saying it all the time, that your comments mean the world to us. I wasn't exaggerating when I said that. It means the world to us. So please drop in your comments. Let's know what you think about Prep Class. And, well, we could talk about your educational concerns too. We may have one or two things to say. But until then, take care and wait right up for the next learning session. It's coming right up. So be good. Prep Class loves you. Be the best that you can be. Bye.